2017 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, CD player, tachometer, overhead console, brake assist, sunroof, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.